This is the weight pass. So you'll want a light weight. I've got 15 pounds here, which is not really light, but you know, use something that's accessible for you. Come into elbow plank. Legs can be a little bit wider for more stability. You, without twisting the shoulders or the hips, you grab onto the weight, and then you pass it to the front of your body, and then put your elbow down, and then grab it with the other arm, and take it out to the side. And then bring it back to the center. And change. Without any twisting in the shoulders or the hips at all, like this. This is usually what happens. People lift the shoulder and lift the hip. But as always, you don't want any twisting in the spine. You want to stay completely straight and neutral.